Here's how to stretch a video in Premiere Pro. First, go to the Effect Controls panel. In there, make sure that Uniform Scale right here is not ticked. Because when it is ticked, you can then only use the option Scale right here, and with that option, if you decrease it, you can only make it smaller or bigger and only proportionally. So the actual aspect ratio will always be maintained like that. And as we want to stretch our video, that's actually not what we want, right? So make sure that Uniform Scale right here is toggled off, and once that is the case, you will be able to manipulate both scale height and also scale width right here. And with these two options right now, you can now stretch your video. If you use the scale width right here, you can stretch your video horizontally. And if you use scale height instead, you can stretch your video vertically. And this is how you stretch a video in Premiere Pro. Last but not least, if with stretching a video, what you meant was just making a video longer or shorter in time, then let me quickly show you how to do that as well. First, we're heading over to the timeline right here. So I just click on it to activate the timeline panel. Then I right click on the video clip, and then we go to speed duration. Now, if I want to make my video double as long as it currently is, which could also be kind of interpreted as stretching, then for the speed right here, we're simply going to input 50. And as soon as we click on OK right here, you will then see that your video clip is now twice as long. On the other hand, of course, if you want to make it shorter, just right click on it, go to speed duration again, and instead of 100% here, we're going to input 200%. And click on OK. Now our video clip right here is only half as long. And that's it, guys. That's how you stretch a video in Premiere Pro. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Premiere Pro tutorials.